How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make tag decorations in Geometry Dash. So this is a quite technical tutorial, but I suggest choosing something like this black block right here in order to customize this even further and to make sure that the colors show up more when designing your level. So after placing or designing your block the way you want to, you can also put some additional outlines by navigating through this page. And then in my case, I've just used this simple line effect right here. And then I've also managed to add some black pillars in order to enhance my design further on this page right here. So you can get creative with your block design, but it's really necessary to just head over to this specific category. And from here, you could use something like this designs right here in order to enhance your build more. So in my case, I'm going to use something like this one. And then you could use all sorts of this designs the way you want to. For example, I've put multiple presets right here. So for this one, let's do something like this blue effect right here. Now to make this tutorial faster, let's then go ahead and proceed. Of course, you can edit out the colors by navigating through each block. And from here, if you want to edit out this color, just head over to the HSV and then enable saturation. And then let's turn it on to this cyan color right here for the futuristic design. So once inside, you can also add some glow effect in order to enhance the tag design even further. So it's going to be on the end of the page right here. And you could use something like this one. And then of course, you want to also make sure that you have used the similar blue glow effect on your level. So it should look something like this. And then for our final touch, you want to go ahead and do something like this final glow right here that will make your design pop up even more. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.